This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Have you ever wondered why some Audi owners seem to get significantly better fuel economy while driving the exact same model as everyone else? What if I told you that one of the biggest fuel-saving secrets has nothing to do with driving slowly? And what if the most effective trick is something that many Audi owners use incorrectly every single day? Stay until the end because I'll reveal the most important fuel-saving strategy last, and it can reduce fuel consumption without making your Audi feel slower or less enjoyable to drive. Modern Audi vehicles are incredibly efficient machines. Whether you drive an A3, A4, A6, Q5, Q7, or even an S-Line model, Audi engineers have built multiple systems designed to balance performance and efficiency automatically. The problem is that many owners unknowingly override these systems through daily habits. One of the most common mistakes is accelerating harder than necessary after every traffic light. Contrary to popular belief, fuel economy is not just about speed, it is about how efficiently you reach that speed. Smooth and progressive acceleration allows the engine and transmission to work together more effectively while reducing unnecessary fuel consumption. Before we continue, if you enjoy practical Audi tips, hidden features, maintenance advice, and performance guides, please subscribe to the channel. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it is extremely important for helping this channel grow and allows us to continue creating new Audi content every week. Another overlooked factor is tire pressure. Many drivers never check it unless a warning appears. Even slightly underinflated tires increase rolling resistance and force the engine to work harder. Maintaining the correct pressure improves efficiency, handling, and tire life at the same time. Drive modes also play a major role. Many Audi owners leave their vehicle in dynamic mode permanently because they enjoy the sharper throttle response. While dynamic mode has its advantages, it often keeps the transmission in lower gears and increases fuel consumption. For daily driving, auto mode usually provides the best balance between performance and efficiency. Weight is another hidden enemy. Extra cargo in the trunk may not seem significant, but carrying unnecessary weight every day forces the vehicle to consume more fuel. Removing items you rarely use is one of the simplest ways to improve efficiency. Highway driving presents another opportunity. Many people assume cruise control always saves fuel. In reality, adaptive cruise control often works best because it manages speed more smoothly than most drivers. Small reductions in speed fluctuations can create noticeable improvements in fuel economy during longer trips. Now for the final and most important fuel-saving secret. Many Audi owners focus entirely on driving style while ignoring anticipation. Looking farther ahead and predicting traffic conditions allows you to lift off the accelerator earlier, avoid unnecessary braking, and maintain momentum. Every time you brake unnecessarily, you waste energy that the engine already used to move the car forward. This simple habit often saves more fuel than switching drive modes, changing fuel brands, or buying expensive additives. It also makes driving smoother, safer, and more relaxing. The owners who achieve the best fuel economy are not necessarily driving slower, they are simply driving smarter. And once you master anticipation, your Audi can deliver impressive efficiency while still feeling every bit like the premium performance machine it was designed to be.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.